necessarily reflect those of the staff, management, and/or ownership of Cumulus Media or its partners. The preceding show is paid for by Three-Dimensional Wealth. The views, opinions, and beliefs expressed are those of Three-Dimensional Wealth and don't necessarily reflect those of the staff, management of Cumulus Media or other partners.
Or by government.com. Have you heard? A recent stash of 1884 Morgan silver dollar coins has been found. These gorgeous 1884 O silver dollar coins are as bright and shiny as the day they were struck. Only a limited quantity of these Morgan silver dollar coins are available. Coin experts are calling this an amazing opportunity for anyone interested in silver coins. Just call government at 1-800-973-3094 and you are guaranteed a mint condition 1884 O Morgan silver dollar featuring the iconic O mint mark of the New Orleans Mint. But with limited quantity, you must call now. These 1884 O silver coins are still in uncirculated condition. That is 137 years of history you can hold in your hand. To learn more, call 1-800-973-3094. Call now and you'll receive a free American Coin Collector's Bonus Package, a $25 value free with every order. Call 1-800-973-3094 now to secure your 1884 O Morgan silver dollars before they sell out. That's 1-800-973-3094.
By now, you've heard the news. Vaccine boosters are available for eligible Californians. Boosters support stronger immunity and help maximize protection against COVID-19 and its variants. Visit myturn.ca.gov to find out if you're eligible and to find a booster near you. That's myturn.ca.gov. Stay healthy and strong. Get boosted. Brought to you right, left, or you're somewhere in the middle. Start your day with Armstrong and Getty on KSFO. And it's Bongino, Hannity, Levin, and Shapiro. This is the Bay Area's home for conservative talk. 560 KSFO San Francisco, a Cumulus Media station.
It's down to the wire. I'm Kim Puzo, Fox News. For one final weekend, undecided voters are being courted on the campaign trail. In just 3 days, Americans will determine the balance of power in Congress. Democrat Mandela Barnes hopes to unseat Senate Republican Ron Johnson of Wisconsin.
We need leaders who share our interests, who know exactly what life is like for the rest of us, what life is like for folks who are multi-million-dollar donors, what life is like for the people who have to work hard every day, for people who have sometimes have had to struggle to pay the bills.
Barnes campaigning in a suburb of Milwaukee. Georgia's U.S. Senate race is a dead heat. Republican Herschel Walker hopes to run Democrat Raphael Warnock out of office.
Why don't we discuss crime in the streets? Because that's what he got going on. Because remember, he believes in that no cash bail. He believes in releasing prisoners. He believes in not supporting our police.
Another extremely close U.S. Senate race will be decided in Pennsylvania. It's between Democrat John Fetterman and Republican Mehmet Oz. President Biden will campaign for Fetterman in Philadelphia later. Right now, he's in Illinois talking about saving Social Security and Medicare and lowering drug prices.
We passed the Inflation Reduction Act because it made Medicare stronger. Folks, we pay the highest price for prescription drugs of any developed nation in the world.
Republicans insist White House plans are hurting the economy. As the war in Ukraine rages on, Germany's chancellor is defending his visit to China. Beijing has been cozying up with Russia and has given tacit approval to Moscow's invasion. Olaf Scholz says getting China to openly oppose the use of nuclear weapons in Ukraine was reason enough to travel there. America's listening to Fox News.
Perspectives you won't hear anywhere else. Your daily dose of news twice a day, going far beyond the headlines, tapping into the massive reporting resources of Fox News to provide a full picture of the news of the day.
I'm Dana Perino.
I'm Brett Baer.
I'm Maria Bartiromo.
I'm Brian Kilmeade, and this is the Fox News Rundown.
Subscribe and listen now by going to foxnewspodcast.com or wherever you get your podcasts. From the Fox News Podcasts Network.
Hi, it's Will Kane, co-host of Fox and Friends Weekend. Please, I share my thoughts on a wide range of topics from sports and pop culture to politics and business. With the help of newsmakers and personalities, I will provide you my free, unfiltered, uncancelable opinions on the hottest topics in America.
The Will Kane Podcast. Subscribe and listen now at foxnewspodcasts.com or wherever you get your podcasts. America is listening to Fox News.
A U.S. airstrike in Somalia has taken out more than a dozen terrorists. U.S. Africa Command says members of Al al-Shabaab were targeted as they attacked Somali National Army forces. Officials say no civilians were killed or hurt. Last weekend, a pair of car bombs in the capital of Mogadishu killed at least 100 people. The tornado threat across the southern plains is over. Last night, a series of twisters broke out when cold air from Canada mixed with much warmer temperatures.
Tornadoes ripping through the central U.S., killing one and hurting at least 24 people. Areas close to the Texas-Oklahoma border were hit the hardest, with more than 50 homes damaged or even destroyed.
Fox's Ashley Strohmeyer, power outages are widespread. If you're on the fence about getting the new COVID-19 booster shot, this might help you make the decision.
Pfizer says it has updated its coronavirus booster shot, and it significantly adds to the virus-fighting antibodies in us grown-ups. The drug maker made adjustments to its booster back in September to take on the most common Omicron strain of the bug. The FDA says their latest studies on its effectiveness show that it works, and that should be incentive enough for more Americans to roll up their sleeves. Need proof? A month after getting this new booster, antibody levels in those 55 and older jumped 13 times higher than before the extra dose. Even young adults saw a 9.5-point jump. Karen McHugh, Fox News.
Don't bet on China relaxing its zero COVID-19 policy anytime soon. Health officials said today they would stick with it to snuff out outbreaks and stop cases from entering the country. The harsh approach, which includes lockdowns and rigorous testing, continues to hurt China's economy and disrupt daily life. I'm Pam Huso, and this is Fox News.
In Benicia, 680 northbound after Bayshore Road, stop and go back to 780 due to a solo crash blocking the left lane. In Lafayette, the Pleasant Hill Road on-ramp to eastbound 24 partially blocked by a stalled car. In Oakland, 580 westbound before Kilter Avenue, an unknown object blocking the two right lanes. Coming off the Bay Bridge, 80 eastbound between the Toll Plaza and the Maze, the two right lanes are closed until noon. Fog on the San Mateo Bridge and on the Golden Gate, and in the Santa Cruz Mountains Highway 17, a wet road advisory. I'm Mel Baker. That's traffic.
The following show is paid for by Edelman Financial Services. The views, opinions, and beliefs expressed are those of Edelman Financial Services and do not necessarily reflect those of the staff, management, ownership of KGO and KSFO or other partners.
The following program is furnished by The Truth About Your Future, LLC. The views expressed do not necessarily reflect the views of this station. This information is education and not financial advice. Sponsors of the program pay a fee to be interviewed. See the truthayf.com disclosure page for details. Consult a financial advisor before investing.
The Truth About Your Future with Rick Edelman is brought to you by Global X ETF, dedicated to providing investors with unexplored and intelligent solutions, and by Bitwise. A trusted guide in crypto has never mattered more. Connect with their dedicated team of crypto experts nationwide at bitwiseinvestments.com. And by Invesco QQQ, the fund that allows you to access the innovators of the NASDAQ 100, Invesco.com. And by Edelman Financial Engines. Rick Edelman is a board member, consultant, shareholder, and client of EFE, but EFE is unaffiliated and has no say over the content of The Truth About Your Future with Rick Edelman.
This is where technology, innovation, and personal finance come together.
This is The Truth About Your Future with Rick Edelman.
And now your host, Rick Edelman.
Happy weekend to you. Some of what we're going to be covering today, the truth about your friends at work. Should you engage in staking and lending to earn yield? Building a robotic dog?
Red light camera ahead.
Tax loss harvesting? Plus, our health and wellness segment with my wife, Jean Edelman. I want to digress a little bit from our normal commentary and just share with you a personal story. It's been a year since we announced, Jean and I, that we were leaving Edelman Financial Engines, the financial planning firm that we founded back in 1986. This transition was a long time in coming, about 5 or 6 years, and we finally announced it to our staff, our financial planners at the firm, about a year ago, a little more than a year ago. The departure had a whole lot of fanfare, as you would hope and as we would have wanted the company through